Okay, so where are we here? Okay, so let's begin with Brazil. Brazil had, welcome back, Brazil. You had 9 views yesterday for this video. Thanks so much for those views. I do appreciate every single one. Of course, I also want to invite you to come and join us at 4 p.m. Eastern New York time today for the live COVID-19 analysis on Twitch. Okay, the link to my Twitch account is in the description below. So okay, let's come over here now. Let's just run some numbers for. Let's just come over here now. Let's just run some numbers for Brazil. Okay, good. Okay, let's take a look at Brazil here. Now, what you can see here is Brazil has 21.6, 21.7 million cases, 608,671 deaths. This is what the yearly numbers look like, but as I also caution, if we don't want to place too much weight on the yearly numbers, okay? Because what's happened over the last 3-6 months is more important than what the numbers are actually doing over the last 10 months is what matters. Okay, so you can see, but your total cases have passed the total 2020 COVID-19 cases. And Brazil, your deaths have also passed the 2020 deaths for COVID-19. But now we can take a little bit of a look over here. This is why I say, yearly numbers can be a little misleading, because you can see you had a long kind of stair-step decline all the way up to a single day high of 115,228 on June the 23rd. Then you had this long declining pattern over here, okay? Finishing up on October the 4th, November the 4th for 13,350. That's a pretty big drop from over 100,000 to 13,000. Okay, so don't discount that good news. Currently, Brazil, you're averaging 10,967 cases per day. Now, what about deaths? Again, you kind of had this little roller coaster right here, finally spiking on April the 8th at 4,249 deaths for a single day. Let's come into it, but back here on October the 4th, on November the 4th, your deaths had fallen to 436 for a single day, with a 14-day average of 285 deaths per day. This just helps get through some of the volatility and smooths out the curve a little bit. Okay. And again, of course, you can see the important point is this long declining pattern for cases in Brazil and long declining pattern for deaths in Brazil, okay? But let's take a look at the monthly numbers now, Brazil. This is where the good news is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row, you will see a decline in COVID-19 cases in Brazil. Okay. What about deaths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is what do we say? Six. There's a very good chance, Brazil, that your COVID-19 deaths are going to decline for 7 straight months. You've already declined for 6 straight months. We can wait and see if hopefully November will be below these, okay? So there, Brazil, that takes care of your numbers for today.